Hey, it's Paul from Paul's Wanderings, and today I come to you from the Moor's Falls Conservation Area in Litchfield, New Hampshire. It's a gorgeous day to get out and get some exercise, so let's go! I hope you're enjoying this walk through the woods in Litchfield, New Hampshire as much as I am. If you are, remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't, remember to click that subscribe button. The majority of my viewers aren't subscribed, and I'd love that additional support. Thanks for coming with me on the Moor's Falls Trail in Litchfield, New Hampshire. I hope you liked it as much as I did. If you did, remember to give me a thumbs up. And for those of you that haven't, remember to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can see more of my videos. If you wanted to really add some extra support, I'd appreciate you becoming a member of Paul's Wanderings or buy some of my merch. Either way, I can't wait to see you in my next adventure. And if you liked this video, I know the one that'll pop up right here, you'll love as well. So until I see you again in my next video, this is Paul signing off.